Hi everyone. Today in this video I would like to talk about percentage yield as well as percentage purity. But before we look at the question, let's understand a little bit about this term yield. In chemistry, yield it means the amount of product produced in actual situation. In actual situation, the amount of product produced might be lesser due to some factors during the chemical reaction. So let's look at this question. There are 9 grams of magnesium undergoing combustion to produce magnesium oxide, and only 14 grams of magnesium oxide is obtained. So that means there's actually more than 14 grams of magnesium oxide should be produced. So let's try and calculate the amount of magnesium oxide that should be produced. So first step, we need to find the mole of magnesium from 9 grams, which is 0.375 mole. And using the mole comparison, which is 2 to 2, simplified 1 to 1, the number of mole of MgO is also the same, 0.375. And multiplying this with molar mass, we will get 15 grams. So this is the predicted yield. We should be 15 grams, but only 14 grams is obtained. So to find the percentage, using a simple formula, actual yield over predicted yield, 14 over 15 multiplied by 100, you'll get 93.3%. So this is how we do calculations for percentage yield. Next one is on percentage purity. And in this example, it is about metal ore, whereby this is an example of malachite, which is a type of copper ore with this formula. And we are to find the percentage purity of malachite. That means we want to find the percentage of copper present in this formula. So it's similar as finding the percentage of a particular element, which we have done previously. So the steps are similar. Using a simple formula, the mass of pure product in this case is copper over the mass of the product here. And the mass of copper, from this formula, there are 2 copper atoms. So 64 times 2. And then the mass of the metal ore, after finding the mass according to the number of atoms of each element. And lastly, we divide the mass of copper over the mass of the impure product. So at the end, we can say the percentage purity is 57.7%. And that's all for today's lesson.